Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025. How to withdraw your Shiba Inu tokens from your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet to the Arculus wallet. If you're into crypto, you know security is key, and this step-by-step guide will help you move your SHIB safely and efficiently. Whether you're diversifying your holdings or just exploring new wallet options, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer or mobile, and the Arculus wallet app ready to go. Also, ensure your Shiba Inu tokens are already in your Ledger Nano X. If not, you'll need to acquire them first. Remember, always double-check your wallet balances to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. Unlock your device with your PIN for added security. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Shiba Inu wallet. If you don't see it, you might need to add the SHIB token manually through the app's manager. Next, in the Arculus wallet app, go to the Receive section to generate a new wallet address for Shiba Inu. Copy this address carefully. It's your destination for the transfer. Now, back in Ledger Live, hit the Send button for your Shiba Inu account. Paste the Arculus address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check for any network fees, as these can vary in 2025 with updated blockchain protocols. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X device. You'll see a prompt on the screen. Use your device buttons to approve it. Sit tight while the transaction processes on the blockchain. This could take a few minutes depending on network congestion. After it's done, head over to your Arculus wallet to verify that your Shiba Inu tokens have arrived. And there you have it. Your Shiba Inu is now safely in your Arculus wallet. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets and verifying addresses twice. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.